Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going on a trip to Great Camanoe for the first time. This is my first trip since my mother passed early last year. It's basically a year since she passed, and this is my first trip since COVID-19, and also too, this is my first trip within a year where we haven't gone anywhere. Even though it is within the BVI, I am grateful. So this island, Great Camanoe, is you can access it from Beef Island, a part of the British Virgin Islands as well, right? And we are taking a private boat. Now you can't get to this island by a public ferry. This island is basically but not a private island. It's an island with just residential homes. There are no businesses like restaurants, banks, and things like that on this island. So we have to basically be invited to go across there. Anybody you see there, like workers and stuff, they are working with one of the homeowners, and they go back and forth to the island on these private boats that are owned by the owners. Each house owner basically have their own boats that is docked on a jetty on the island itself, and they will take their workers to and from their site. When they get on the island itself, they'll be provided with a transport to take them to the different homes that they need to go to. So this is my first trip. Like I said, we were invited. I've never been there before, and it's really a lovely place, quiet, serene and stuff. It's a different lifestyle altogether because like I said before, there are no restaurants and stuff around, no banks and everything. So you'll have to make a trip to the mainland, make a trip to Beef Island, and then you'll take a car from there to wherever you want to go, to Atola, and do your business, and then get back to the island. So it's a different lifestyle altogether. So I invite you to check out my blog post that I did about this, with more notes that I may have omitted on this video, and leave a comment. So let me know what you think, and you know what it is like, and if you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Take care. Bye bye.